Mga kabayan, nandito tayo sa another film location ng Game of Thrones. Makikita nyo dito nakakabayo si Catelyn Stark, ang asawa ni Ned Stark, yung father ni Jon Snow.
Fewer eyes back here, my lady. Still too many.
Pero tapos 3 minutes walk from here, another Game of Thrones na
capital, and no one knew who I was the last time I came either.
My lady.
Would you mind following us?
I would. We've done nothing wrong.
We've been instructed to escort you into the city.
Instructed? I don't know who's providing your instructions.
Lady Stark.
Here's other closet. He possesses 4. Ang ganda ng ano, no? He owns 4. Ang tawag dito.
What?
Ang ganda ng mall.
This is like Dubrovnik. It's a walled city. Huh?
Very thick siya. Kaya siguro na wonder napili siya sa film location ng Game of Thrones.
Mamaya na lang pagbalik tayo mag-picture dyan. Hindi naman tayo lalabas, no?
You need to buy yellow lanterns at night, floodlights, spotlights, torches.
Would you mind following us?
I would. We've done nothing wrong.
We've been instructed to escort you into the city.
Instructed? I don't know who's providing your instructions, but...
Follow me, Lady Stark.
Itong kasama kong family ko, napagod na kami sa paghanap ng film location dito sa Medina. So, sa harap dito, nasa loob kasi ng restaurant, paglabas namin, may papakita ulit ako sa inyo na film location. Kung saan si Ned Stark at saka si Jaime nagkaroon ng confrontation. Nagagawin sila. Maganda dito sa Medina, marami mga, ang ganda ng lugar.
Yung water sa'yo.
Kaso nga lang napakainit, sobrang init talaga. Kaya kailangan mong maya-maya punta ka sa lugar kagaya nito, restaurant. Nandito na naman tayo sa another film location ng Game of Thrones. Makikita nyo ba dito si Ned Stark at saka si Jaime. Nandiyan naman si Jaime, kabilang side.
State back, sir. This is the Hand of the King.
Was the Hand of the King. I'm not sure what he is. Lord of somewhere very...
Pero quick lang yung yung makikita nyo sa scene ng Game of Thrones fighting.
Remember my brother, don't you, Lord Stark? Blonde hair, sharp tongue, short man.
Sa Mesquita.
I remember him well.
Square.
Seems he had some trouble on the road. You would.
Tapos doon kami sa doon kami
His crimes.
My lords! I bring the city watch.
Come, Stark. Rather you die sword in hand.
If you threaten my...